In this video, I will tell you about how students can get Claude AI Pro for free in 2026. First of all, open Claude and here you will see Upgrade to Pro. Click on it. Here, check if Claude currently offers any official student programs. If available, you will usually need to verify your student status by using your university email or student verification services. Another thing worth checking is GitHub Student Developer Pack. From time to time, students can get access to various developer tools and AI-related benefits through student programs. Don't forget that some universities and colleges already provide free access to premium AI tools for their students. So, if you have recently been accepted into university, check your student portal, university mail, or ask your IT department before paying for anything. And now, here's an important warning. Avoid websites, Telegram groups, or YouTube videos claiming to offer free Claude Pro accounts or premium generators. Many of these are scams and can steal your passwords, personal information, and even get your account banned. So the safest approach is simple. Use only official Claude offers, use your university student benefits, and trusted student programs like GitHub Student Developer Pack. And that's it. That's how students can get access to Claude AI Pro for free in 2026. Thank you for watching. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, and leave us a comment down below.